My first question is, will the executive committee be pleased to state, is there any NOC issue when council or any company consultancy to conduct any survey that regards to establishment of railway lines in JJ Hills? And the answer that I got is no. Means there is no NOC. But my first supplementary question is, according to the news report published in Warta on April 26, 2024, with the headlines, BPKSU in JJ Hills District Unit, yet no one can survey, Negunta Kalupi Rel Kaunchna. Wah, untuk bagi facts, bagi data, bagi Kibru talk sket Kibru yang kena is under railway. So my supplementary question is, how can the NFR conduct a survey without the knowledge and without NOC or without the right information of the district council?
Teman-teman, ini untuk kata mengenai yang council putih di WN betul. Australia itu yang tegi kubur, yang tegi Warta, yang Sulat, yang rumah official di dalam office. Kalau kata buat, kita melihat di dalam politik council, kita kamu di Warta ini lebih kaki, cuma cuma di melihat di politik.
So we got in Kima. It means anyone can come and whatever they want in our district. So thank you so much, CM, for the reply. My second supplementary question is, how to council kadang jumpa pensenya Syah, dia kan ayat NOC ada NFA kapan nanti railway JJ Hills.
Teman-teman, we ngomong lagi, dan nak ada kata, bukan bang dari mulai bang dari top. वो पॉइंट है ये तो ऐसे कष्ट को टिम्पुए ये बोल का जेकरा में ना ना इधर काम लागू करते काम पूरा अप्रोच करते हैं आशा हुई का वो कमाल.
Thank you so much, CM, for the reply. And my third supplementary question based on railway lines, what is the stand of the council with regard to the issue of railway lines in JJ Hills? What is the stand of the council?
We internal condition everything through it. The international view of
what is the stand? You gain the council, we see the stand the railway for railway or not against railway. This is why answer.
Kasi yung dati, we want need ma. Ini yang lada pagi, lada FK mo pagi, lada muka mo sipu kautin. Yang dati itu masuknya dalam rumah spekulasi, dalam kelam, dalam makan. Tapi rumi itu tidak dalam yuri.